Giving such kind of statement is just to gain the political mileage only.
Lagi jubab jong ki jingkren, jong kat to kat ni halor ka phang bala pinki, ya ki jing wajing perkhat jong ki babun balang, kata halor ka reservation policy ba ka roster system ka bala pelong, kum ka phang ka banya kren lo da baro, ki nong shong shnong jong ka jelamik laya, ha ka ba ki Nongïalam naga Seng sign perthei, ber kum joru ki Seng balang na khasi jantia, bat garo hills ki la pinksan, yala ka jong ka jing song thu ka jong ki. Kajing dawa naga Seng Voice of the People Party but kumjuru nagi kinhun Seng bhalang ba pher na rilom khasi jantia naga binta ban khmi but bishar biang ya ka reservation policy but ban pinsang ya shwa ya ka jingpen tre kam ya ka roster system kalami naga jingpen nya ba ka jingbam hun ba ki kinhun na Garo Hills ha ka ba kila kam ba ka ne kam day ka aka Henry day tanga jingpen kiwen naga binta ban yo ya ka jingkershan kum ka Seng sign perthei. Nakaliang o President ka Garo Students Union o Ziku Balkra Marak ula pinrem yaki jingkren balakren da o MLA ka nongkrem uba arden melab sayamon uba longru o President Jong ka VPP.
When we got the statehood on 1972, reservation policy had been implemented, but there are so many loopholes. That's why most of the educated youth have been deprived from the government job. That's why we demand to implement a roster system in Meghalaya as soon as possible. According to us, this mechanism very transparency and it will give equal opportunity to the unemployment educated youth of Meghalaya. We don't know why some politicians want to review that mechanism. Even the Honorable High Court seen nothing wrong in this mechanism. We think that kind of statement given by the senior politician is regretful. I think such kind of statement is just to gain the political mileage only.
Kumban chukpin kan mau Nongïalam jong ka Seng VPP uba arden melab sayamon ula pin paik tien halor ki jingkan no jong ka achik conscious holistically integrated krimalani ka achik bala pinram halor ki jingkan no bo pinram ya ka jings ngo pher jai bin rio.
Kini ban sengap bahaya ke jingkren ke jengah hapo assembly. Lalu musnang hadu kun. Ladakim yokem hagasin ke menengkong kini sengap arsin laisien. Mata kin saaya ke jingkren ke jengki. Ke jingkren hi ke jengah kala syai. Ke bang aku aban kentu hi ki kalong ba kin sengap bahaya ke jingkren ke jengah hapo bayang norbat hawai.